In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the D3D11 error on Windows. So the first thing we're going to do is to make sure whether your GPU is actually compatible with directx. So what you're going to do is press the Windows plus R button on your desktop. Then this will open up. And this is what you're going to type, DX. So if we go to the display tab and we go to feature levels, make sure that the numbers we're seeing should be at least 11. Now mine is 12, but yours might be 11. And the driver model should be at least 1.1 or higher. Now the next thing we can try is to update our drivers, including Windows. So what you can do is go to the search and type Windows Update settings and make sure if everything is up to date. You can also go to your specific GPU driver. Now mine is NVIDIA. I'll go click the app. Then if I go to the drivers section, you can see that I currently do have an update that I can install, and this might be the case for you as well. And down below you will see what it does and what it fixes. Now let's say that didn't work. Then what you can do is go to the Microsoft website and download this specific link. I'll leave it in the description for you. Now we're going to press download and install it. So this is how it looks once you install it. All you have to do is just accept, click next, and install it on your PC. Another thing you can try is to go to the search on your PC and type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now we're going to the advanced section. We're going to click on change. We're going to untick automatic. We're going to enable custom size, and here we're going to implement 1024, and the way to calculate the maximum size is by multiplying 1024 by the size of your RAM in gigabytes. The way to check this is to go to the search and type task manager. Then we're going to click on performance, memory, and like you can see, I personally have 32 gigabytes. What I'm gonna do is multiply 1024 by 32. This is what it equals, so I'm going to copy this and paste it in here, and then click on set and OK.